Now, input tax credit. Input tax credit means while paying tax on sale means output of goods, and you can avail the tax you have already paid. Means input means tax on CP, output means SP. So input tax includes CGST, IGST and SGST paid on input goods, input services. Only a registered person is entitled to take credit of input tax. Credit of tax paid on every input used for supply of taxable goods and services or both, or the purchase petroleum product, liquor means petrol, diesel, motor spirit, etc. Input tax credit is not available. So in export of goods, GST is not payable. Like see example for a registered dealer, if input tax rupees 80, tax on purchase is equal to rupees 80. Output tax rupees 100 means tax on sale is 100. So ITC means input tax credit is equal to input tax 80. So dealer will pay 100 minus 80, 20 rupees to government as GST. Okay. So tax liabilities is equal to output tax minus input tax, means this you should learn. Tax on SP minus tax on CP. Simply also you can take beta profit. Tax on profit also you can see. Example number 7. Let ABC 3 traders belonging to different state. Trader A sells some goods to trader B for rupees 500. Trader B sells the same goods to C at profit of 200. Calculate the tax liabilities of B if rate of GST 12%. Very easy. Belonging to different state means interstate transaction. Trader A the SP कितनी है 500. So IGST from one state to another IGST we are counting 12% of 500 rupees 60. Now CP of B 500, but he is taking profit of 200, so total SP 700. So CP of C will be 700, means profit on profit is 200. So input tax is rupees 60, output 1200 of 12% of 700 will be rupees 84. So GST 84 minus 60, 24. Directly we can also do, we can take the tax on profit 200, 12% of 200, answer should be same. Next product is sold from Kanpur to Banaras. Both Kanpur and Banaras, both city belongs to UP, means intrastate. And from Banaras to Ranchi in Jharkhand. So different state. First to intrastate, then is interstate. Rate of GST 18%. So when the product is sold from Kanpur to Banaras, it is intrastate. So SP is equal to 12,000, CGST 9%, SGST 9%. Where I find two tax. So now this product is sold from Banaras to Ranchi. So interstate means different state, only IGST we will count. 12,000 plus 1080 plus 1080 total rate, then 4% profit also. So total rate is now CP of next person which is belongs to Ranchi. CP is 16,000. So IGST 18% of 16,000. So it will be 2880. So this means GST is equal to output tax minus input 2880 minus 2160, that is 720. So directly also we can find tax on profit 18% of 4,000, that is also 720. Example 9, the article is sold from Jaipur to Indore. Jaipur belongs to Rajasthan, Indore belongs to MP, so interstate. Then from Indore to Bhopal. From MP to MP means first interstate, then intrastate. Means in first we will count IGST, then we will count CGST and SGST. Other no change, same as exercise A. ठीक है. For SB of Jaipur 5,000 है, IGST 18% नाल 900 आ गई. CP of Indore 5,000 and profit 2,000. So SP of Andor 5,000 plus 2,000 7,000. CGST 9% of 7,000. SGST 9% of 7,000. Both are same. So GST payable output tax minus input. Output is 630 plus 630 and that is 900. So we will get the answer. The input credit on amount IGST to be adjusted against payment of this. The example given above, credit of IGST to be adjusted against CGST, then remainder means from CGST, if CGST is more 900 minus 630, then we will from that we will subtract from 630 and we will get the answer. No need to simply you can add first CGST and SGST, then you can subtract. Now next is let A, B, C, three dealers in GST chain. A buy some goods service 2,000 and sell it to B at profit 500. Then B in turn sell the same goods service to C and profit 1,000. Taking the rate of GST 18%, find input tax payable by A and B, total cost for dealer C, and output means GST. See beta, CP of A 2,000, purchase price 2,000, to tax on 2,000 it will be 18% of 2,360. This is the first answer. Profit 500, then SP is equal to 2,000 plus 500 to 2,500. So CP of dealer 2,500. So tax 18% of 2,500, 450. So profit of dealer 1,000. So SP is equal to 2,500 plus 1,000, 3,500. So CP of C 3,500. So tax for CP 18% of 3,500. It will be 630. So total cost for dealer C 3,500 plus 630 is equal to 4,130. So if dealer C is the end user of a product, not selling anywhere, so dealer C does not sell the product, it means output tax GST is equal to no GST. GST for C only you can say if this is the input tax of GST 630. Output is not there because C is not selling anywhere. So there is no output tax on C. Okay, because C is end user. Dealer in Agra, UP supply goods worth ₹1,000 to Jhansi. Jhansi also UP, Agra also UP. It means intrastate. So dealer in Jhansi supply the same goods to dealer in Mumbai, and at the profit this. So now interstate. Assuming that dealer in Mumbai is end user, rate of GST 12%. Same way, like example this. In place of AB, now we will use Jhansi and Mumbai. Now first goods CSP of dealer in Agra 1,000, CGST 12.26% of 1,000, that is 60. So SGST also 60. Then SGST simply you can say also is equal to CGST is equal to 60. So full tax on both, that is 60 plus 60, 120. So output tax 120. Input tax on dealer in Jhansi 120. CP in dealer in Jhansi 1,000. Profit 600. So SP 1,600. So IGST 12% of 1,600, 192. Then since for dealer in Jhansi output tax 192, input tax 120. So GST payable for dealer 192 minus 120, 72. Dealer in Mumbai the end user, so CP of end user 1,600, that is the end rate, plus 192 tax. So dealer in Mumbai has to pay 1,792. Now market price of article this and GST 18%. A shopkeeper buy this article at reduced price. Very very important question beta. It adds market price. The shopkeeper paid 162 as CGST. If CGST is 162, SGST will be also 162. It means GST is equal to 162 plus 162. Now shopkeeper buy the article means disposal at for X. CP is equal to X, SP is equal to 900, CGST 162, SGST 162, total tax 324. Now GST of SP minus GST of CP is equal to 324. 18% of 900 minus 18% of X is equal to this. This means 18% of 900 minus 324 is equal to 18% of X. Then we can simplify this. 18 over 100 into 9000 minus 324 is equal to 18 over 100 x. So minus 324 into 100 over 18, this way you can solve for x. This is 1300 into, you can solve now. It is equal to 7200. So shopkeeper buys the article for 7200. So amount paid by the shopkeeper 7200 plus tax on 7200. It will be 8496. Manufacturer in Delhi manufacture a machine at marks the rate 60,000 on that machine. He sells the machine to wholesaler in Patna at the discount 20%. The wholesaler sells the machine to dealer in Agra. Patna in Bihar, Agra in UP means interstate at a discount 10% on market price. So rate of GST this. See beta, at each state the sale of a machine there is interstate transaction. Rate of GST on each will be 28%. So market price 60,000, discount 20%. It will be 12,000, 20% of 60, 12,000. So SP is equal to market price minus discount, it will be 48,000. For wholesalers, CP 48, SP 60,000 minus 10% of 60,000 will be 5,400. So tax will be 28% of 54,000. So GST is equal to output tax minus input tax. 28% of 54,000 minus 28% of 48,000. 54,000 minus 48,000, it will be 6,000. So 28% of 6,000 we can get. A dealer A in Bihar buys the article for rupee this from dealer B in Punjab, Bihar and Punjab interstate. The dealer A sells the goods for 6,000 to dealer C. A ने B ਨੂੰ 5,000 दिया, B ने C ਨੂੰ 6,000 दिया. If the GST is 18%, find the price including GST. Now, dealer A CP 5,000, tax 900. So this means total ਉਹਦੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਬਣ ਗਏ 5,000 plus 900, it will be 5,900. Now for dealer C, purchasing price 6,000, CGST 9% of this, SGST also 9% of this, 540, 540, 1080. So totally he has to pay 6,000 plus 1080, it will be 7,080. Then Mohit, Rajiv and Geeta, 3%, same city means intrastate. Mohit sells the goods to Rajiv in 50,000. Rajiv sells the same things at profit of 6,000 means 56,000. And rate of GST 12%. Rate of this GST 12%, it means CGST 6%, it means SGST also 6%. So tax paid by Rajiv to state government. SGST 6% of 56,000 minus 56% of it. Beta CP 50,000, SP 50,000 plus 6,000 means 56,000. So GST is equal to output tax minus input tax means tax rate percent of SP minus rate percent of CP. So 56,000 minus 5,000, 50,000, 6,000. 6% of 6,000, it means 360. So total tax received by central government, that is CGST in place of SGST. Same way 6% of 50,000 plus this is 360. So 3,000 plus 360, it will be 3360. Geeta pays 56,000 ਤੇ ਦੇਣੇ ਹੀ ਦੇਣੇ plus 12% ਇਹਦਾ. So this has to pay. Shopkeeper sells article this and GST 18%. Customer willing to buy the goods. Ask the shopkeeper to reduce the price. This question is also very very important. And all the question of B exercise same as all examples. You should try yourself. Then if any problem you can say me, I will make you understand. Okay, firstly you should try yourself. Okay, so shopkeeper sells an article for this GST 18%. A customer willing to buy the goods but asked to reduce the price so that including tax he has to pay only this much. Then if the shopkeeper agree to this, how much reduction is there? Very very important. Let the reduction given by shopkeeper is X. So reduced price is equal to 1770 minus X. Clearly reduced price of article plus GST is equal to this. So 1770 minus x plus 18% of this is equal to this. So by simplification, this you can take common beta. 1770 minus x we can take common. Then 18 over 100 plus 1 is equal to 1888. 1888 into 100 over 100 plus 18, 118. And this 1770 minus 1888 into 100 over 118 is equal to x. By simplification you can get the value of x, that is 170. So reduction is there 170 rupees. So same question you should try yourself.